3, 2, 1.
Which Shakespeare play features the character Hamlet? The answer is D. Hamlet. When does most amphibians' parenting end? The answer is D. Once eggs have been laid. Samhain was a time when the future was divined for the forthcoming year. Which of the following was not commonly used to divine the future at these times? The answer is A. Ouija board. What is the name of the iconic power suit introduced by Giorgio Armani in the 1980s? The answer is C. Power blazer. The Dead Sea is a lake, but it's often associated with which ocean? The answer is A. Atlantic Ocean. Which vehicle is often used in space missions for transporting astronauts? The answer is D. Rocket. What was the first computer programming language called? The answer is A. COBOL. Which of the following best explains why the sun appears to move across the sky every day? The answer is B. Earth rotates on its axis. Time, mass, length, and temperature are considered to be what kinds of units? The answer is C. Base. Which sci-fi movie features replicants? The answer is B. Blade Runner. What word is used in the NATO phonetic alphabet for the letter W? The answer is B. Whiskey. How much unpolarized light does a polarized filter block? The answer is A. 50%. What constellation is often depicted as a hunter in the sky? The answer is A. Orion. What is the brightest star visible from Earth? The answer is C. Canopus. Which component stores and releases energy in an electric circuit? The answer is B. Capacitor. What kitchen item is used to grate cheese? The answer is C. Grater. Unlike wood and glass, steel is an example of a material that responds to what force? The answer is B. Magnetic. Which philosopher famously said this is patently absurd, but whoever wishes to become a philosopher must learn not to be frightened by absurdities? The answer is D. Bertrand Russell. In the game Super Mario Sunshine, where is Bowser when you fight him at the end? The answer is A. In a hot tub. I'm a woman who wrote The Handmaid's Tale, yet I never wore a red cloak. Who am I? The answer is A. Margaret Atwood. The language Gan Chinese belongs to which language family? The answer is B. Sino-Tibetan. What tool helps write on whiteboards? The answer is B. Marker. What his first year after birth is called? The answer is A. Infancy. What actress starred in the 1996 disaster movie Twister? The answer is B. Helen Hunt. Which was the first country to win 2 consecutive FIFA World Cups in 1958 and 1962? The answer is D. Brazil. A black solid by itself, this element is incredibly important because of what it makes when it combines with many other elements, including oxygen. The answer is D. Carbon. The 2011 British biopic The Iron Lady brought Meryl Streep her second Best Actress Academy Award. For what movie did she receive her first Best Actress Academy Award? The answer is B. Sophie's Choice. Which game features the Rocket League concept? The answer is C. Rocket League. Which European country shares its western border with Belgium and France? The answer is D. Netherlands. What is the process by which an egg develops into a baby animal called? The answer is A. Embryogenesis. How old was singer Otis Redding when he was killed in a plane crash into Lake Monona, Wisconsin, in 1967? The answer is C. 26. What is the international symbol for seconds? The answer is D. Gwyneth Paltrow was roommates and very close friends with which famous Hollywood actress? The answer is C. Winona Ryder. Which kitchen appliance makes toast? The answer is D. Toaster. Where does a light bulb send electricity to generate heat? The answer is D. Metal thread. What is the Papstitz Schweizergard? The answer is B. A 500-year-old organization of Swiss Guards. What is the name for spherical groups of old stars held tightly together by gravity? The answer is C. Globular clusters. Which author wrote The Name of the Rose? The answer is B. Umberto Eco. Where did an FBI investigator argue futilely with his bosses a month before 9/11, by saying, in trying to keep someone from taking a plane and crashing into the World Trade Center?
The answer is A, Minneapolis.
The cell body contains what central structure along with other organelles? The answer is C, nucleus. What do you call the large, round, flat object used for serving food on a table? The answer is A, plate. What type of winds occur when air is forced over a mountain range? The answer is B, Chinook winds. What is the name of the virtual reality game developed by Palmer Luckey and Alex Kuhn? The answer is B, Alex. Actor, author, and political insider Ben Stein, famous as host of When Ben Stein's Money, is the son of Herbert Stein, an economist who served as a chief advisor to which U.S. president? The answer is C, Richard Nixon. Which clock tower inspired Greenwich Mean Time? The answer is A, Big Ben. Which river flows through Yellowstone National Park, USA? The answer is C, Yellowstone River. Who portrays Prince and Beyonce on the skit The Prince Show? The answer is B, Fred Armisen and Maya Rudolph. Which fruit is often green and has a hard outer shell and soft interior? The answer is C, avocado. What is Alicia Silverstone's religious affiliation? The answer is D, Judaism. What household object allows you to cook food on an open flame?